Hey guys, what's happening? I'm here with a Sephora haul. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Why do I feel like I'm too close? I got a little teensy weensy bit. Okay, I'm not even gonna like try to talk and do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just going to get right to it. I don't know what I'm looking in the monitor. I'm trying to see what this hair is like hitting on, because right now I don't even know what to tell you. But why don't we jump right into it? Okay, first of all, I've been into the store like 50 billion times, but I'm gonna start with what I ordered online. And first off, we have the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Instant Blurring Beauty Powder with Brush, and I picked up the shade 54 Muse. First of all, the packaging is to die for. I swatched the product when I got it, and I'm gonna have to see what it looks like on the face. But this little part right here is the actual brush, which I doubt that I'll use, but I watched Mel Thompson's video here on YouTube, who I love, and she said this would be good for like touch-ups if you take it with you, and it just fits right in here like that, and then you push the little button and this opens up and it has a little cover. Sorry, I swatched it, but this is what the powder looks like. So this is shade 54 Muse. So I like swiped it. So this is the color. It has a nice like sheen to it. So maybe, oh, don't mind my nails. I wasn't supposed to show you those. But I'm interested to see how it will work on my face. It does have some shimmer particles in it, so we shall see. I'll probably try to do a video with like new makeup or whatever. Makeup I purchased at Sephora during the haul. I also picked up the Inky List, which is a new brand at Sephora. And this is the retinol, and that's pretty much all it says. It says a derivative of vitamin A. This ingredient helps to promote skin renewal and enhance collagen production. So it is what it is. And it says use at night on cleansed skin. Apply a pea-sized amount of face and neck. Blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry. I'm not even supposed to be going into all of this. But I just thought I'd try it. And they do have it in stores. I saw it in my store. But that's it. That's all it looks like. And for $9.99, why not try it? And it had, every product had good reviews online. And I also picked up 2 of the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo. Oh, and then the Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. So 1 blush and 1 bronzer. And the blush I picked up was in the shade Warm Honey. And every time when I open these up to look at them, because I opened them up to check them, because I have been having the hardest time with Sephora and their packaging when they're shipping stuff. I don't know if it's because of the quick shipping or what they call themselves doing, but I ordered the Jouer powder, that powder that they just came out with. Oh, I guess I can show it in this haul. And I ordered one, and when it came, it was completely shattered, and I knew it because when I went to open the box, I could see powder on the outside. Then I called Sephora. They immediately shipped out another one. I got it like 2 days later. That was completely shattered. So we figured we'd try one more time, but this time I sent it to my mom's house and not my house, and of course it wasn't shattered. So I don't know if it was just the person that's delivering my packages or what. Do they have a vendetta against me? But I'm gonna stop playing with them. When it's important stuff that I don't want to be shattered, I'm gonna send it to my mom's house. So these are the Cover FX soaps. I got that from Mel Thompson too, because they definitely look like a bar of soap. Very much so. So this is the shade Warm Honey. Is that not gorgeous? That color is beautiful. Like, I can't wait to use it. Excuse my nails, this looks disgusting. I'm not even gonna get into that. That's a whole nother day, another $1 for what those gel nails were like that I got. That's why I never get my nails done. I paint them myself and just go about my business, because I wasted $40 getting a gel manicure because that shit was coming off in like 2 days. And okay, so this is the Monochromatic Bronzer Duo, and I got the shade Suntan Bronze, which is the deeper of the 2. And this is what she looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous. gorgeous. And it shows up really nicely on my skin. I have to use them in a video. Not really going to do any more swatching. I don't even know why I swatched that other powder. Okay, so some of this stuff in here is stuff that I picked up a little bit before the sale, but I figured I'd show it anyway because I probably got them like right before the sale. It came out that there was even going to be a sale. But I picked up the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm really excited to try this. I should have used it today, but I didn't. And this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. So I'm excited. Everybody's been talking good about it, talking about its gripping capabilities, whatever, whatever. So that's something else to try. Also, I picked up every last one of the Fenty bronzers. Went out and bought the rest of them. I don't even know. Okay, I got Coco Naughty, and I don't know where the heck Mocha Mommy is, but I also got Mocha Mommy, and because I know a lot of people said it would be like really nice as an eyeshadow, like an all over the lid shade, so I listened to everybody and I got Mocha Mommy also. And I also picked up the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighting Duo in Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen this. You've seen the bronzers because everybody's done a video, but I'm gonna show it anyway. I hope it's not broken. Oh no, it's not. It's some like powder on it though. I don't know where it came from, but these are the shades. There they are. They're so pretty. Of course, we'll get it together. I'm like terrible. I haven't filmed in a while. And if you guys didn't, please go watch our Bean Boozle challenge that we did here on my YouTube channel because Jordan was dying to do it. So anyway, back to the first day when I went in the store. I picked up basically some skincare items. So I picked up this Aqua Surf's Up Belif little kit, and it comes with a full size Aqua Bomb, which I love, and I hadn't had it after I used it because I had the smaller version, not the large version. Oh, I'm jacked up. This is how you open it. I was messing this up earlier, so I'll go on this side. So you get a Belif, a full size. That was the Belif sleeping mask, and then you get a good decent amount. It's a 1 fluid ounce of the Aqua Bomb Belif cleanser, which is this little thing right here. So this is the Belif Aqua Bomb sleeping mask. So you probably go to bed in it and get yourself some moisture in your skin. So that's that. I also picked up, now I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I'm not sure because I do have the Farmacy Green Clean. Now a lot of people said that they really liked that, but when I tried it, it seemed like it burned my eyes. So I said I was going to give it one more go round and we shall see. But Beauty Bomb Skin on Instagram recommended this in her Sephora haul recommendations video. And it's the Drunk Elephant Slaai, whatever, makeup melting butter cleanser, and it has some other little a bamboo booster that you can add in it. It's kiwi, strawberry seed blend, virgin marula oil. So all of that is in this little baby. So I figured I'd give it a try. You always have to try things when there's a sale. And sorry, I should have put this on my lap. And I picked up the Sol de Janiero Glowmotions Glow Oil, and this is in Copacabana Bronze. I put this on my hand. It looked so beautiful, so I'm hoping I can put them on my pale ass legs and get some color, whatever. And it has a pump now, so that's why I wanted to get it. And then I picked up this Sephora Rouge Lacquer, and this is in the shade. I want to get No Regrets, but I'm gonna have regrets if I don't go take my. I done been to the Sephora store about 100 times and I haven't picked that one up because when I first went, they didn't have it. Okay, I also picked up this little duo, and this is the all-nighter Urban Decay all-nighter spray, and you get this little sponge in it, and they had the sponge out on display, so this is the main reason I got this, was for the sponge, because it fits like perfectly under the eye if you were blending out concealer. So I had to get it. I couldn't pass it up. Then I have 2 brushes. Of course, I have more brushes, but I'm a brush fanatic. I had to do it. These are the Huda Beauty eyeshadow brushes that came out with her nude collection. Now, here's the thing. Online, they do not have these, but I just so happened to go in the store and was looking at the Huda Beauty section. Why, I don't know. And I saw the packaging, and I'm like, oh shit, I can get these in the store and not have to order them from Cult Beauty. I don't really like double-ended brushes, but it was a sale, so I picked them up. So I got the Eyes Build and Blend, which is a dual-ended eyeshadow blending brush. And then I also got the Huda Beauty Eyes Smoking Smudge brush. So this is what they look like. Can you guys see them? I don't know if you can. But this is what they look like. I really like this little packaging. So I picked those up, and they don't have them online. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this. But this is the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint, and it has an SPF of 30. I swatched this, and it looked amazing. Like the glow, and I've been struggling with dryness when I put on foundation. Like, I'm like so over a matte foundation. I don't know what to do with myself, because it's like I've been using Proactive, just the adapalene gel or whatever. And it just seemed like when I was putting makeup on, everything looked dry. Like nothing looked moisturized. My face looked like the freaking Sahara Desert. So the moisture that's in this, I could always like mix this with something, because they were saying you could go from like light to sheer coverage all the way to full, however much you blend it out. But I'm going to try it. If I don't like it, I'm going to take it back. But since it was a sale, then whatever. And I got the shade Tan. Of course, they don't have but like 2 shades, but whatever. I'm over complaining about shades on foundation. It is what it is. They either make it or they don't, and I'm over it. Next, I got the Cheek Leaders Mini Bronze Squad little thing from Sephora, and I know this probably isn't for me. It's probably for lighter skin tones, but I don't even care, because that highlight, it was just everything. Mel talked about it, so I had to find it. And the highlighter is this shade Cookie right here. And the color is just amazing. So that's it. It's pretty white. Well, like icy. I'll say icy. And it's got Hola. But you can easily use this on the eyes. Anybody my complexion or deeper skin tone, you could pretty much use it on the eyes. But I just had to get this. And I figure it out later whether it works or not. It's what it is. It is what it is. Oh shoot, now I can't get this dang thing back in here. What's my time? What's my time? I don't know. Okay, then I picked up this little, I don't even know what it is. Does it have a name of it? Pro Press Full Coverage Precision number 67 brush from Sephora. Dang, I was tongue tied. I just picked this up. I don't feel like opening it. I'll show you guys later maybe. But it was only $12. It was on sale. And I know everybody halfway to cancel Tarte. I haven't, because I mean, foundation is foundation, and we're not going to get into all that. But this little brush, I just thought it was really pretty on the display, so I bought it. It's just, it's pretty, and I love brushes. So that's what it looks like. It looks like the ocean, and it's pretty sturdy, really nice. So don't judge me. Don't judge me because I have a brush obsession. Do not do it to me, guys. Okay, damn, I had another bag. Okay, so what was in the other bag was the La Mer powder brush. I'll link it down below. The La Mer powder brush, the Laneige, the ones that make the lip mask, the water essence, because I tried it on my hand. It has wonderful reviews online at Sephora, and it just seemed amazing. So another thing, when I went to Sephora, I got the Farmacy Honey Savior all-in-one skin repair salve. This is some good stuff, y'all. I had to pick it up. It's supposed to be for dry, cracked skin. You can put on lips, hands, whatever, elbows, knees, heels, because y'all know we can have some crusty heels. Mine are pretty decent, because I get my feet done on a regular, and I get that callus removal. But yeah, and then I picked up a Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in East Coast Slaai, and this is a collaboration with some influencers. It's a makeup by Denise, and why can't I think of her name? Shoot, and I love her. I can't, but this is the lighter of the two. It's really pretty. It's a cross between a lip balm and something else, like a lipstick, but very pretty. And I picked up a Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless foundation in one of their new shades, and this is in N070. Are you on? There it is, neutral golden, and the shade looked really good. So this is what she looks like. So I'm hoping it'll match. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, another day. Is there anything else in this bag? Oh yeah, and then I picked up an Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadow, and I got the shade Blaze. I just wanted something different. I didn't want to get the usual little glassy little whatever. Oh, it's got a little thingy in it. This is what it looks like. It's like an orange shade. The lights, if I turn it, yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I don't know if I'll get anything else. I don't need to get anything else because right now it just looks like I'm obsessed, because I wasn't even supposed to get that much makeup. Like, I don't need any more makeup because I've been randomly picking up stuff. I've been shopping like hell at Ulta. To be honest, if Ulta carried the same stuff as Sephora, I would probably go to Ulta and just forget about Sephora, because their point system is better. You get money instead of whatever. And I know Sephora has that $100 gift card thing, but that's some bullshit. I'm gonna be honest, because basically if you order something or you use that Sephora $100, when you go take it back, you don't get to exchange your stuff for what you paid for it. You just get the difference after they take that $100 and split it up between what you got. So as you can tell, I'm pissed off about that. So I got it that one time and I haven't got it since, and I feel like I wasted my points. And that's that. So just, if you want to get the $100 reward from Sephora, just make sure you know for a fact that those are the items that you want, and you will not in any case and point return them. So if you're like repurchasing stuff that you love, then yeah, use your $100. If not, I wouldn't even fool with it, unless, but that's exactly what it did. It wasn't the cashier, I mean the lady at the desk, it rung up like that. So if I paid $50 some for something and they split up the $100, when I went to exchange it, I made her pay $20. Like, I might have got $20 back, so I was still coming out the pocket. So I say to the $100 reward from Sephora. Sorry Sephora, I still love you. I'm still VIB Rouge, whatever. Oh, I need to cover it up because you can see my screen. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.